How can I fix the issue with my Netgear router having an orange light?
Hello there. In this video, we'll be discussing how to troubleshoot a common issue with Netgear routers, an orange light. The orange light often signifies a connectivity issue. So, if you're experiencing this problem, follow along as we guide you through the steps to get your router back to its normal, green light state. Remember, safety first. Ensure that your router and all connected devices are on a secure, flat surface and away from any liquids.
Is it a hardware problem?
The first step is to check if the problem is hardware related. 1. Check your Ethernet cables. Make sure they're securely plugged into the correct ports on your router and modem. If any of the cables look frayed or damaged, try replacing them. 2. Verify that your modem is working properly. The orange light on your router could be due to a problem with your modem. If the modem looks okay and other devices can connect to the internet through it, then we can rule this out.
Is it a software problem?
If the hardware seems fine, the next step is to check if the issue is software related. 1. Restart your router. This often resolves minor software glitches. Simply unplug your router, wait for about 30 seconds, and plug it back in. 2. Check for firmware updates. An outdated firmware can cause connectivity issues. You can check for updates by logging into your router settings through your web browser. The process might vary a bit depending on your router model, so refer to your user manual or Netgear's official website for detailed instructions.
What if the light is still orange?
If none of the above solutions work, it's time to reset your router to its factory settings. 1. Locate the reset button. This is usually a small, recessed button on the back of the router. 2. Press and hold the reset button for about 7 seconds. You might need a paperclip or similar object to press it. After releasing the button, your router will reboot. 3. Reconfigure your router. After a factory reset, you'll need to reconfigure your router settings. Again, refer to your user manual or Netgear's official website for the steps to do this. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix the orange light issue on your Netgear router. Remember, if all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out to Netgear's customer support for further assistance. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you're back online soon. Happy troubleshooting!